So here's Hedge Sleep app, Better Sleep for everyone. So let's just install it. So just tap get and then yeah, you'll be able to install it. Better Sleep for everyone, 52,000 ratings. Make space for rest in your life. The Hedge Sleep app makes it easy to get the most out of the Hedge family of products. Restore, Rest Mini, Rest, and Rest Plus, which has with Hedge Restore a good night's sleep for anyone is easier than ever. This all-in-one device packs all the features you need for the perfect night's sleep, including personal sleep routine, lights and sounds, sunset, sunrise alarm, the perfect reading light every time, make it bright enough to read by or dim enough not to wake a partner. A wind down for bed with channels, curated playlists of music, dreamscapes, guided rest exercises, and sleep stories, dreamy sleep sounds. So yeah, quite advanced set of tools here. Um, And there is also exclusive curated sleep content, wake up gently, set up custom night lights and sunrise alarms. So yeah, kind of a cool thing, and also it's a quite nice gift idea for New Year's or for the holidays. And then you can just enter your email to log in or sign up. Just create an account in this app, and then you'll be able to link with the device.